Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Singh Chahal. This is day 5 of Spiti 2023 winter drive. So we are headed back to Amritsar now, and we've got friends from far off who are moving towards Spiti. If you remember the place where we stayed at in Kaza, uh, PitiJalsa. So I've got Jaskaran. He owns the place that will be inaugurated very shortly, and we've got friends, like-minded friends from Nepal. This is Ateet, right? And Ateet is running a company called Genesis, which is into adventure tourism, and they also have a very cool cafe there. This is one of the reasons we are also planning for Upper Mustang this year itself. And this video also falls in the interesting vehicle category because they've got something which is very unique and new for India. This is the now not available cousin of the Endeavour that we get in India. This is a 2017, am I right? Yeah. So this is a 2017 Ford Ranger with a very interesting spec. This is a 3.2 inline 5 diesel, but it has a 6-speed manual transmission, which I believe changes the entire game. He's planning lockers for it, and as usual for all of our friends, it is running a set of Ironman Foamcell Pro suspension, and basically the vehicle is stock. There's a few changes, but it's something which is very unique to India. So I'll quickly show you around. Uh, this is the front. The grille has been changed. Looks very cool. We've got the big tour banner on the front. So they are a part of a 4-group team, 4-vehicle team, and they're expecting three more. Three more. Am I wrong? Am I right? So they're expecting 3 more vehicles in the next few days. We'll be joining them in Spiti itself. So they've driven down from Kathmandu to Ambala, where Jaskaran's joined them, and they are driving up to Spiti. So the front, I believe, just the grille is changed, and on the side we've got an Ironman snorkel, steel wheels. Uh, this is pretty similar to the one that goes on the Endeavour. So the front is pretty similar, but there's quite a few changes. This is the Maxxis Razr. We don't get this tire in India. On steel wheels, and this tire is the same size as my Isuzu. It's a 265/75 16-inch wheel, and it is running a 2-inch lift. And there's a lot of traffic, and we have to let them go. I'll quickly show you the interior. Just come to the other side. So unlike the Indian one, this gets leather and fabric mix, and they've got an Android player. And I feel the cabin is very spacious. It seems to be bigger than the Indian Isuzu cabin. Very neat interior. It's all kitted for the trip, so that you've got a lot of stuff. There's no digital console and everything, so it's a basic looking vehicle from the inside, but this is what changes it all. This is a 6-speed manual. I believe this transmission would be same as the one we got in the very initial, very rare 2.2 manual 4x4 Endeavours in India. Apart from that, looks very similar to the Indian Endeavour, but there's no leather finishing, there's no fancy chrome inside. This is something I actually like more, and that's the 4x4 shifter. It's a full-time 2-wheel drive vehicle. You have to move it to 4 high and 4 low. Ateet is planning for lockers, so that will make it more interesting. We'll quickly go around the back. So in the rear, they've covered it with a top cover, and this is an option 4x4. This is a pretty decent brand. It's an option 4x4 rear bumper, and I'll try to show you the leaf spring set. That is what is different in this from the regular Indian Endeavour. If you can see, the rear has leaf springs, and it's running grey black colored Foamcell Pro Ironman suspension. This is Uoma, and this is Genesis. Genesis, as I mentioned, is the company they have which runs adventure tourism projects, and they've also got a cafe. The key, yeah, of course, the key looks pretty similar to the Indian EcoSport key, I believe. It's not fancy looking like the Indian Endeavour key, but I wish Ford was still here and India was lucky enough to get something like this, but we'll have to settle for whatever we have. So I believe that's it. And if we get time, we'll try to cover some more vehicles for you. And thank you so much.